In the ever-evolving world of technology, Apple has continuously raised the bar with its MacBook Pro lineup. Each generation has introduced new innovations, but what's coming in 2025 is poised to be the most transformative update yet. The M5 MacBook Pro is more than just an incremental improvement. It's a leap into the future of professional computing. With groundbreaking upgrades across the board, Apple's upcoming M5-powered MacBook Pro might redefine what it means to own a premium laptop. In this detailed breakdown, we'll explore all the rumored and expected features of the M5 MacBook Pro, including its chip design, performance enhancements, GPU upgrades, machine learning advancements, connectivity options, memory and storage changes, design details, and how it stacks up against previous models. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or someone simply looking to upgrade, this comprehensive look at the M5 MacBook Pro 2025 will provide everything you need to know. Apple's Silicon Evolution. Introducing the M5 chip. The M5 chip is at the heart of the upcoming MacBook Pro refresh. Apple's silicon journey, which began with the M1 chip in 2020, marked a monumental shift from Intel processors to in-house designed ARM-based architecture. The M2 and M3 chips followed, each improving on performance and energy efficiency. Now, the Apple M5 chip is expected to bring even more powerful capabilities while maintaining the efficiency Apple is known for. Early leaks suggest Apple will continue using TSMC's 3nm process, but with a more refined version, possibly the N3E or N3P node, allowing Apple to pack in even more transistors without increasing the die size. The result: better thermal performance, faster processing speeds, and extended battery life. M5 Pro and M5 Max CPU configurations. Apple typically releases the MacBook Pro with two high-performance chip options, the Pro and Max variants. Here's what we're hearing about the M5 Pro and M5 Max CPU configurations. M5 Pro, expected to come in two configurations, one with 9 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, and a higher-end version with 12 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. This results in up to 16 CPU cores, ideal for professionals who multitask with demanding applications. M5 Max. This variant may push things even further with up to 14 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, giving us an 18-core CPU setup. The M5 Max will likely be targeted toward video editors, developers, and 3D artists who need maximum power. GPU performance, a graphics powerhouse. The GPU upgrades in the M5 MacBook Pro could be one of the most exciting changes. Apple's in-house GPUs have already proven themselves in previous generations, but the M5 series could bring up to 42 GPU cores in the M5 Max model. That's a significant jump from the 38-core setup found in the M4 Max. Expected GPU configurations. M5 Pro GPU, 18 to 22 GPU cores. M5 Max GPU, 34 to 42 GPU cores. This will enable smoother workflows for professionals working in 4K and 8K video, advanced 3D rendering, machine learning, and even high-end gaming. Combined with Metal API optimizations, the M5 MacBook Pro GPU will deliver stunning graphics performance. AI and machine learning, a smarter MacBook. One often overlooked aspect of Apple's chip design is the neural engine, which plays a vital role in tasks like on-device voice recognition, real-time language translation, image processing, and other machine learning workloads. The M5 neural engine is expected to receive a substantial upgrade, making the MacBook Pro smarter and more responsive. With Apple's increasing focus on AI, especially in macOS and Pro apps like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and Xcode, the enhanced neural engine will power new features like intelligent editing suggestions, dynamic background rendering, and smarter system-wide search capabilities. Memory and storage, bigger and faster. The M5 MacBook Pro RAM is expected to get a boost over its predecessors. Where the M3 Pro started at 18 GB of unified memory, rumors suggest the M5 Pro may start at 20 GB, and the M5 Max could start at 38 GB or even offer 48 GB base configurations. Why this matters? Increased RAM improves multitasking capabilities, essential for creative professionals handling large files. Improved performance in virtualization and running emulators. Storage upgrades are also expected, not necessarily in size but in speed. Apple is rumored to be enhancing the internal SSD controllers, which will lead to faster read/write speeds, quicker boot times, and improved performance in disk-heavy tasks. Display technology. XDR brilliance continues. While many users hoped the M5 MacBook Pro would feature OLED displays, reliable sources suggest that OLED won't arrive until the M6 generation. Instead, the Liquid Retina XDR display with mini LED will continue to be used. Key display features: high brightness for HDR content, deep contrast levels, excellent color accuracy. This makes the M5 MacBook Pro a top-tier device for photographers, video editors, and designers who demand precise visual output. Connectivity and ports. Thunderbolt 5 debuts. One of the more exciting hardware upgrades is the likely introduction of Thunderbolt 5. With improved data transfer speeds, support for more external displays, and better accessory performance, this will be a huge plus for power users. Combination of ports supports both legacy and modern workflows, making the M5 MacBook Pro for video editing and creative work a flexible solution that if you're expecting a complete visual overhaul, you might have to wait. Apple is reportedly saving major design changes for the M6 MacBook Pro coming in 2026 or 2027. For now, the M5 series will retain the current design language. Apple may introduce a new color variant, such as Midnight or Starlight, inspired by the MacBook Air lineup. This subtle visual refresh will offer users a chance to differentiate their new MacBook. Thanks to the advanced 3nm process and Apple's relentless pursuit of efficiency, the M5 MacBook Pro is expected to deliver the best battery life yet. Apple's historical trends suggest a 15 to 20% increase in CPU performance and a 25 to 30% bump in GPU speeds over the M4 generation. Combine this with faster SSDs and higher memory bandwidth, and you're looking at a system that's not just faster, but more stable and efficient under heavy workloads. With each silicon generation, macOS becomes more optimized to the hardware. Expect macOS 15 or 16 to include tighter integration with iPhone and iPad. These features, combined with the raw power of the M5 chip, will create the best MacBook Pro experience ever. While Apple has yet to announce pricing, we can expect the starting prices to be similar to the current M4 models. M5 Pro 14-inch, starting around $1,999. M5 Max 16-inch, starting around $3,099. Availability is projected for late 2025, likely around October or November, following Apple's traditional release schedule. M1/M2 users. This is the perfect time to upgrade. The leap in performance and AI capability is significant. M3/M4 owners. Unless you need the latest and greatest, you can probably wait another year. New buyers. The M5 MacBook Pro offers future-proof performance for years to come. The M5 MacBook Pro 2025 may not scream change on the outside, but what lies beneath the surface is nothing short of revolutionary. Apple is doubling down on performance, efficiency, and intelligence. This device is built for professionals, power users, and anyone looking for a machine that can keep up with their ambitions.